Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, we are going to talk about increases. Specifically, we will talk about yarn overs. Let's get started. So when you create an increase, you already have some stitches on your needles. For example, I'm going to knit 2, yarn over, knit 6, yarn over, and then knit 2. And then I will purl the next row so we can see what those yarn overs look like. Alright, let's get started. First, let's knit 2. 1, 2. Then we will yarn over. To yarn over from a knit stitch, you simply wrap the yarn over the needle. This is just like a knit stitch, only you haven't put your needle into the other stitch and you don't have to slip that stitch off. So you just wrap the yarn over your right needle. Then we will knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll do another yarn over. Just yarn over the needle and knit 2. Now we have increased our stitches by 2. Before we had 10 stitches and now we have 12 stitches. Our yarn over is right here and right here. Let's go ahead and purl the next row. So we will purl all 12 stitches. Alright, now we can see the increases that our yarn overs made. Remember, our yarn overs right here and right here. You can see from the fabric that the yarn over creates a hole. This is perfect if you're trying to create eyelets or some sort of decorative look with these holes. However, many times you do not want to use a yarn over for your increase because you do not want your increases to be this visible. You also typically do not want gaps in your fabric. So that's the yarn over. Quick, simple, and easy. I hope you've enjoyed this knitting tutorial and have learned how to create a yarn over. If you are interested in viewing more Snickerdoodle Knits knitting tutorials, you can visit our YouTube channel, like and subscribe this video, and we hope to see you soon. Happy knitting!